Firstly, with the live shrimps. Pour the live prawns onto the conveyor belt of the elevator. The elevator will transport the live prawns into the bubble washing machine. Afterward, the prawns will be set into the mesh belt blanching machine for blanching. The steam from the blanching machine will be vented out to the outdoors through the exhaust hose. The blanching machine is heated through a boiler and is connected to an outdoor boiler through pipes. After being blanched in the blanching tank, the prawns are basically cooked. Then it will be transported to the cooling tank. The first tank is normal temperature cooler. The second tank is ice water cooler. The ice water cooling machine uses refrigerant and water to exchange heat and achieve a cooling effect. Then the prawns will be transported to a sorting conveyor, and workers will pick out the bad prawn. The prawns will be conveyed to the shrimp grading machine. The shrimp grading machine consists of 3 parts: a first stage conveyor, a second stage conveying machine, and a grading section. Shrimp goes through 2 stages of transportation and cleaning before being sent into the grading machine. In the grading part, the gaps between rollers are different from the one end to another end, so the forwarding prawn will fall down when prawn size is less than the gaps. The graded prawn will be conveyed by several conveyors. After being graded, the cooked shrimps will be soaked in a large barrel for a moment. Then, they will be sent to the spiral quick freezing machine for freezing. Cooked shrimps are transported to a multi-head weighing and packaging machine by a conveyor. Through this machine, the cooked shrimps will be weighed and evenly distributed into paper boxes on the conveyor belt. Finally, the prawns are sent into the spiral freezing machine.